Hello, this is Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group at Keller Williams Realty here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Here to just have another weekly market update on what's going on here in the Las Vegas housing market. Let's jump right in. So you can find more information about us at dalesnyder.net and on our YouTube channel at dalesnyder1 for a lot of informative videos. What we've got is our inventory, recapping from last week's video. We have about 15,000 homes on the market back in April. Last week we had 5,500. This week we have 4,900. Like a huge reduction in inventory from 1 week. The average price per square foot for the homes last week for sales price was $88 a square foot. We're up to $90 a square foot. Went up $2 a foot in 1 week. As far as the supply of inventory, we did have about a 2.1 month supply last week. We're down to a 1.9 month supply of inventory. I know I had said last week we're seeing the reduction in inventory of about 0.1% per week. Well, it actually went down by 0.2% last week alone. The data is coming from single-family homes in Las Vegas. We're not including townhomes, condos, and Henderson. Just trying to be very specific in the real estate data we're giving you. Let me move on to the next one here real quick. Okay, so we currently have, like I said, about 4,951 homes for sale. We have about 10,500 in contract and 2,500 homes sold in the last 30 days. Some very interesting data for the analyticals. I know I love this information. I spent about an hour this morning just crunching through these graphs. We're going to conclude this video with a link to some interactive graphs from our Altos research reports that you can subscribe to on our website. They're just fantastic free data that we put out there for the consumers. So one is going to be the total inventory. If you look back here, and if any of you have been following our market for several years, you'll see where our inventory kind of reduced in 2007. That was where we didn't quite know what was going on. Like, is the world ending? You know, are prices really going to be dropping? Is, you know, what's going to happen in the market? Well, then we had our financial crisis by the subprime meltdown that happened in, you know, what, end of 2007, early 2008. And then our inventory just kind of stagnated around the same level. We saw it reduce in 2009 when we thought we were seeing the bottom of the market. And then the prices dropped some more. And then in 2011, same thing. We thought we were getting close to the bottom, but our prices actually went down 9% last year, believe it or not, for the city average. But here's what most importantly I wanted to share with you. Look at the inventory. If you look at it year over year from the end of 2006 to 2012, you may not be able to see this very well, but you can probably get the point. Our inventory's dropped off a cliff, basically. And the other that I want to share, the Market Action Index, which is very good data that to tell if it's a buyer's or seller's market. And in summary, what it is they pull a bunch of different factors and put them all in together and put them on a 30 rating scale. One would be the average days on market, the median sales price per square foot, the inventory, and several other things that I'm not going to go into detail on. If you'd like to reach out to me, we can discuss the Market Action Index in more detail. But most importantly, you can see that the Market Action Index from last April has gone through the roof, obviously, which indicates that we are in a seller's market, which you should already know if you're in the market looking to buy or sell right now. But as supply goes down and as inventory goes down and the demand goes up, obviously the prices are going to go up and the market's going to turn to a seller's market. So these are very, very good graphs. They're interactive. You can slide them back and forth to see what's happened over the certain block of months or years. I hope this information is valuable. If you'd like to discuss the market in more detail, you can reach out to me on our website, or you can give me a call. It's Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group at Keller Williams Realty discussing the market update in Las Vegas.